Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. In this video we are going to learn Dua of the believers. This dua is mentioned in the glorious Quran in chapter 3, Surah Ali Imran, verse number 8. The dua is Rabbana La Tuzigh Quloobana Ba'da idh hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka rahmatan innaka antal wahhab. Rabbana La Tuzigh Quloobana Ba'da idh hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka rahmatan innaka antal wahhab. Let us now break down this dua to understand it more clearly. Rabbana La Tuzigh Quloobana. Rabbana means our Lord, La means not, Tuzigh means deviate, Quloob means hearts. Rabbana La Tuzigh Quloobana means our Lord, do not deviate our hearts. Ba'da means after. Idh hadaytana means hidayah, guide. After when you have guided. Ba'da idh hadaytana means after you have guided. Wahab lana min ladunka rahma. Wa means and, hablana means grant us, min means from, ladunka means yourself, rahma or rahmatan, rahma means mercy, and grant us from yourself mercy. Innaka antal wahhab. Innaka means indeed, anta means you, al-wahhab is one of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which means the bestower. Indeed, you are the bestower. Let us now revise the whole dua once again. Rabbana La Tuzigh Quloobana Ba'da idh hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka rahma innaka antal wahhab. Rabbana La Tuzigh Quloobana Ba'da idh hadaytana wa hab lana min ladunka rahmatan innaka antal wahhab. Our Lord, do not deviate our hearts after when you have guided us, and grant us from yourself mercy. Indeed, you are the bestower. Our Lord, do not deviate our hearts after when you have guided us, and grant us from yourself mercy. Indeed, you are the bestower. Hope you have understood the meaning of this dua. Please recite it daily. Please like this video, share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe to our Islamic channel. Jazakallahu khairan.